We recently purchased a home, and Todd Gehrke served as our mortgage broker. I'm happy to share my feedback on his performance. I'm so pleased I chose him. He's incredibly knowledgeable and highly attentive to detail. Combined with his calm and pleasant demeanor, I give him an A+.
This is the second time we have worked with Todd and wouldn't hesitate to do it again. When buying our current home, Todd went above and beyond to work with our realtor on getting updates on where things were at with both the sale of our previous home and the contracting of our current one. While the process is overwhelming, Todd provides valuable resources in writing and in video when comparing rates, and really put us first, telling us when to lock in our rate versus wait. He was available to us when we had a small hiccup at closing, which was fixed within 5 minutes of contacting him. He is truly top-notch, and you will feel supported throughout the home buying process and beyond. Thanks, Todd, for everything a second time around.
Todd and team were amazing. Thank you for making this such an easy process. I appreciate the professionalism and timely communication. I highly recommend this team.
Todd and Alicia were fantastic throughout our first home buying experience. They were professional, friendly, informative, and organized, making the process go smoothly and seamlessly. We would highly recommend Todd and the Lone Rangers to anyone looking to purchase a home.